What is up, guys? This is Kev out here. Long time no see. I'm just coming at you guys with a little Quantum Monarch deck profile. I've been out of the game for months because of my work schedule, which is a little frustrating. But I'm just getting back into it, playing Domain Monarchs. I really enjoy the deck. I feel like it's better than EDM at the moment, and it is good against EDM as well. So let's get right into it. Alright, starting off, you have 3 Erebus. He's amazing. He doesn't target, shovels stuff from the deck, field, graveyard, hand. Like, he's just great. 3 Aether just gets out your other monarchs, basically. Just a really great card. You're on 1 Thessalos. And if you want to ask me why I don't play Majesties in the main, I actually side it as a one-of. I decided to play Thessalos over Majesties. Just because I like the hand disruption that it gives me. You play 2 Corrals to search out, pop your opponent's stuff to disrupt their board. I get to draw stuff from my cards. It's just really good. Really good at being consistent. Yeah, 2 of the Light Monarch, 2 of the Dark one, the Squires. They're really good at just tribute somebody, basically. They're a tribute fighter. Yeah, I'm gonna throw blue there, and he shovels back himself, obviously. And you got 2 red there. So we play just for calling red layer is the Cyber Dragon of the deck. And that's it for the monsters, guys. Next you have 2 Emergency Teleport. Wish I could play this at 3, but it's at 2. The 1 Upstart Goblin. The 1 Foolish Burial. 1 Twin Twister. And that's the staples. Moving on, we have 3 Pantheism. 3 Domain. 3 Stormforth. 3 Tenacity. Sorry for the camera shit, guys. 2 Return. And I'm playing the Triple Prime. I decided not to play Scolding because I honestly feel like the Turbo is better. I just like being able to cycle through all of this and constant tribute summoning. I never feel like I outplayed my opponent unless it's Pepe. And by then I'll probably just have the mana on the field, so I don't think it's really that big of an issue. That's the main deck. Moving on to the sideboard, we have double Fog King. You have Karaz. 2 Chaos Hunter, which is absolutely amazing. This card helped me so much against Cosmo all day in my regionals, so that's pretty good. You have double Vanity's Fiend. I just feel like it's necessary in the sideboard. Completely wipes out the Monarch Mirror Match along with Majesty's Fiend. Pepe, Burning Best, it's just good against every deck, probably besides Monarchs, to be honest. If you can lock them out of the Stormforth and play this late game, it's easily in. And rounding off the sideboard, I have 2 Chain Disappearance. This absolutely demolishes like Burning Abyss and stuff. They summon like a Dante, and then you just Chain Disappearance, and it's ridiculous. Yeah, so that's deck. I would like to get more from my sideboard. Probably gonna fit in 2 more Twin Twister, 3 MST, but outside that is deck profile, guys, and I'll catch you guys later.